Okay, today our topic epsilon NFA to NFA. Here we have three states Q0, Q1, Q2. So the main concept is the number of states won't change. So you can write like this Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. Now here the main thing is we have to know about the epsilon closure for the state Q0. So Q0 having epsilon closure with Q1, Q0 epsilon closure Q1. So Q0 having epsilon closure with Q1. Then Q1 having epsilon closure with Q2. So we have to add Q0, Q1, Q2. So epsilon closure of Q0, Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. Now what is the epsilon closure of Q1? Q1 epsilon closure with Q2. So Q1, Q2. So this is a way to find epsilon closure. Okay. Now we have to identify the transition for the input 0 and 1. Okay. Q0 0. Q0 0, no transition. Next Q1. Q1 0, transfer to Q1. Q1 again, from Q1 also there is a transition. So Q1 0, Q1, Q1 0, Q0. Okay. Q1 0, Q1, Q1 0, Q0. But Q1 having epsilon closure with Q2. So you have to add Q2 also. Now Q0 1. Q0 1 having a transition with to Q1. Now Q1 1 no transition. Q2 1 no transition. But Q1 having a epsilon closure with Q2. So you have to add Q2 also. Okay. Now transition for the state Q1. Q1 0. Q1 0 transfer to Q1. Q2 0. Q2 no transition. But Q1 having epsilon closure with Q2. So you have to add Q2 also. Q1 0. Q1 0 transition to Q0 also. So now this is the case. Now again Q1 1. Q1 1 no transition. Q2 1. Q2 1 no transition. So empty transition. Q2 0. Q2 0 no transition. Empty transition. Q2 1 no transition. Empty transition. So this is a needed transition table for NFA. Okay, now we have to draw a NFA diagram. What are the states we are having? We are having Q0, Q1, Q2. Three states we are having. So Q0, Q1, Q2. So three states we are having. Now Q0 0, we transfer to Q1. Q0 0 transfer to Q0. Q0 0 Q2. Now Q0 1 transfer to Q1. So Q0 1 transfer to Q1. Q0 1 transfer to Q2. So Q0 1 transfer to Q2. Q1 0 transfer to Q1. Q1 0 transfer to Q1. Q1 0 transfer to Q1. Q1 0 transfer to Q0. Q1 0 transfer to Q0. Q1 0 transfer to Q2, Q1 0 transfer to Q2. Okay, now the transition over. This is the way we can draw a NFA. Thank you.